Hi you guys, good morning. I am in my hometown. I am in my own room and this is the first time that I'm filming here like on YouTube. This is the first ever vlog that I'm doing in my new house and I don't think I've done any as such vlog here in Jaipur. So I'm kind of excited for this one and it has gotten a little chilly, not too much, like the temperature has dropped down to like 18, 19, 20. So I felt like this was the perfect time to sort of, do like a cozy fall kind of vlog. And I am really looking forward to today. I have like a bunch of things planned and I'm really excited to take you guys along with me. Right now I'm just like having my pretty breakfast and I've just made like a basic chia pudding bowl. Let's do a taste test actually. I don't know how I've made it here. A big bite. It's actually better than what I make back in Bombay, so that's good. And also this time I've just forgotten to get my notebook, my diary, my pen, my book. Like literally I did not get any of it, but gladly there's this book which I left last time when I was here. It's called The Language of Positive Thinking and I'm just gonna read it for a while. It's so quiet here and I love that. Like there's no noise whatsoever and I just want to like read and have my breakfast and have a very nice cozy slow morning, because like if you all can tell from my voice also, I have like a little bit of cold because like I said the weather is changing here. So let's have like a bit of nice quality slow time right now. Okay guys, I am all freshened up. I took a nice shower and I've done like my proper skincare and all. Like I feel so good, but on the contrary, my room, I don't know how, is a mess, even though it's not even like done. Like I've barely put in things, but the minute I landed, I had to go to so many parties and so many places, so I just like threw on everything on my table and there's just stuff all over and I need to clean it. And I also went to West Side Home the other day with my sister and it was such a nice fun day, and we also shopped quite a few things for my room and they are so fall coded. Like I absolutely love it and I feel like in general my room is very fall winter like, and yeah, like it's so different from my house back in Mumbai and I think that's exactly what I wanted. I did not want like a similar vibe even here, because then like what's the difference? I wanted this to be like a little more warm and I don't know, like you get the vibe, right? So yeah, first I'm gonna clean and then we're just gonna put like a few things here and there. I got like a few things, not too many, and I will give you guys a haul, but before that like I need to clean. Now let me show you guys what I got from West Side the other day. So first I have these like fake plants, fake stems, whatever you want to call it. So I got 3 of these. One is this one. It's like very cute red, very like small, and then these 2 are like big branches. So one is this one and this red one. Next I got this like cute trinket kind of bowl situation. It has like this golden rim to it and I can just like put jewelry and everything in it. So like that was my purpose for getting this. Then I got this like plant situation. So this is how it looks like, and I also got this like holder, plant holder, pot holder, whatever you want to call it. And this is not really fall, but I just got it because like it looks so cute and it goes well with, you know, my room. Like the color of this pot goes perfectly with my room. And lastly I got this like cup, so I was drinking my hot water in it, and it comes with a lid as well, which is in the kitchen. But like, again, so cute. I don't have like many mugs or plates or whatever here. Like literally in my house in Bombay, I have everything, like extra of everything. I need to parcel it here because I have nothing here, and there's like a particular aesthetic I have for, you know, my cutlery and everything. So I feel like I need to transfer everything. I need to like just parcel everything here. But that's everything. So we also stopped by Zara, and from Zara, first time in my life, I've gotten like a really pretty top, especially from new collection. Usually I shop from Zara whenever it's like on sale, and this top just like, it spoke to me. Like, look at the back, it has these bows, and again, like, it's perfect for fall and winter. The color, the material, and it's just like so chic. And now let's just set everything up. Let's just like keep these in places. Even that area I need to like fix it a little. Okay guys, so here I've put like my planter along with my makeup bags because I'm here right now. I don't know where to keep these. And then here I just have like my body care and some other, you know, girly essentials. And then here on top I have my pouch and my card holder, some perfumes. And on this side I just have like this really pretty vase along with like these fake flowers, a really pretty frame again, which I got last time I came to Jaipur from like a random shop. And then I have my heart jewelry holder here. Now on this side, first I have my lamp. It doesn't work. And then here I have another frame. I got it from the same shop as the pink one. They are both very like similar looking. And then here I just have like this trinket dish with some other essentials. And on top I have a frame and this really pretty vase with these again like dry flowers. And on top also I have just like this one lonely vase with those like flowers again, which I got. These are the fake ones. And now moving on to my bed area. This is how my bed looks like. I know you all are seeing it for the first time, so that's why just like a little tour. And then here I have my side table, and I love how this looks. This is like my favorite part. So we have these again plants, and this is my trinket dish again with some jewelry, and that's the book I'm reading here, and my glasses, this cup, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I honestly love how my room looks and feels. Like I can already feel, you know, cozy and very like homely here. Guys, I literally dozed off and I think it's almost 4 now. So I should be up. As I'm getting ready now, I'm just like doing a very natural and very like fall like makeup. I want to keep it so natural and light and very like easy to do. I can do it in like 5 minutes and just get going. So this is gonna be the vibe, but I'm gonna customize it according to my liking. So I've just washed my face and now I'm using this moisturizer. It's from Akind. I am telling you, this moisturizer, I've been using it for a while now. It makes my skin so soft and so cloud-like. I think that's what it's called. It's called On Cloud 9. See, like it gives that glow and it just moisturizes your skin. Now this product and Akind in general is exclusively available on Tira, so that's where you all can find this one. Next I'm going in with this Estee Lauder concealer. It's literally so blendable and I love it for like my natural and everyday kind of makeup looks. Now I am in the shade 4W Medium Deep Warm, and again this is also available on Tira. You all can just type in Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer and I've already told you all my shade. Next I'm going in with like a little bit of a blush. It's like a little brown toned, so I'm just applying it on my cheeks and also like a little bit on my eyelids. A very thin layer of mascara as well. Lastly, I'm using this hero product, which is Clinique's Black Honey. This is like a cult favorite and I am obsessed with it. Like it's so good. It's my everyday essential. You're like, look at it, and it looks good on everyone, and I want all you guys to have this. Again, you all can just go on Tira's website. You all know where to find it, so I mean, what's stopping you. I don't think I am okay because this is such a cute outfit. Are we looking at it? And my tote, like, this is, oh my god, I have no words. This is straight out of my Pinterest and I'm obsessed with this sweater that I'm wearing. Honestly, not gonna lie, it's not at all, you know, windy or chilly as of now. It will get chilly maybe later in the evening, but like I had this outfit in my mind and I just wanted to wear it and I'm so happy, like. And yeah, now let's go. I think this is the perfect like grocery shopping, running errands kind of an outfit. I have filled quite a few things in my tote bag just in case I want to stop by anywhere. You guys, oh my god, this was the best decision that I've taken for myself. So I was gonna go to the store first, but then I saw that there was like a pretty sunset, so I came to Central Park and oh my god, like there's just like a sunset right behind me. I'm sure people who are like from Jaipur are barely coming here. Maybe I'm judging, but like this is like 10 on 10, highly recommend. I'm literally gonna sit here and watch the sunset. I am like such a, I don't know, nature body. Maybe I'm a Taurus. Every time I'm around nature or anything, I just feel so good. So right now I'm having like my peak gratitude moment. I wish I had my journal. I'm literally so annoyed, but I do have my book, so I might read that. And I could have gotten a drink or something, but then I didn't want to miss the sunset. So yeah, I think I should look back now, watch my sunset, read my book, and yeah, just enjoy my time here. I might actually sit in the grass. Guys, I swear this was so good. I did get like a few creepy stares, but overall this was such a nice thing. And now I'm just going to the store that I was supposed to go to because yeah, I'm pretty much done and I'm also like a little thirsty. So yeah, can you all see that pink tint on my skin? It's because of the sunset and wow, what is this life? I love it. I'm like so happy right now. Yeah. Guys, I'm back home and honestly this grocery trip was not at all successful because this store I went to, the Nightjar Mart, whatever, I went there a year ago and it was so much better. Like they had everything and it was so well maintained and it was just such a good vibe, and today it was so bad. They barely had stuff and there was like the air conditioning was not working and the staff was not, you know, that great with helping. They only didn't know where the stuff was, so overall I was pretty bummed, but I didn't want to ruin my day. Whatever else I could not find at the store, I just ended up ordering it online from Instamart. So let me show you guys what I have as of now. We have like two huge bags. So the thing is that this house barely has like baking stuff because my mom doesn't do baking. It's a very me thing to do, so I have to get all the stuff. So we have a parchment paper, then this is baking powder. We have some choco chips. We have a tin. I think this is perfect, like the size. Then we have ramen because I really want to have ramen for dinner tonight. Like I think it's the perfect vibe and I'm really craving. And then we have some brown sugar. We have some icing sugar, vanilla extract obviously. And this is, I think, yeah, this is baking powder. So that's everything. I think these are all my baking essentials. But the funny part is, I'm making a banana bread, right? And I told my mom in the morning that these bananas, I know they look a little stale, but do not throw them. And she was cleaning the kitchen. Guess what? She threw them. And now she has gone out to get bananas. And I hope they are like a little more ripe so we can use that for banana bread. You guys, I've kept the banana bread. It's in the oven. I really don't know how it's gonna come out because I have I don't know, I've just tweaked everything. The measurements were not that right because I didn't have the measuring cups and spoons. So I was just fluking everything and I've just kept it. It looks good, so I'm assuming it's gonna taste good. But I am hungry, so I'm just gonna make my ramen right now. I've changed also, and I'm just gonna have my ramen, and by then I think this should be ready. I'm also gonna let it cool down a little. Hopefully I'm gonna be able to try it today only. I really want to, I'm craving it. My ramen is here, and I also put oat milk along with ice because this seems so spicy sometimes and I need something to sort of balance it out. And yeah, that's my favorite show which is playing. I'm already on season 5 because that's I am a Logan girly, so I have to start from somewhere around this timeline. This is my favorite scene. Oh my god.
I can't believe you kept this. You kept this in your wallet?
Okay guys, she is out and she is super thin because the tin actually was big and my batter was less, and I tasted it a little. So we are still gonna cut her into pieces and try properly when it's a little cooler. I have a piece of my banana bread which I am it looks good. Come on, this looks so good, but it's just firstly thin. It tastes good. Tastes a bit more banana-y than it should. Otherwise, I would give this a solid 8 on 10. I'm gonna finish this. It's not so bad. See? It's not so bad. I should not beat myself up so much. Okay, anyways.
Well, maybe... I don't know.
Did anyone mention it to you? I don't know.
Okay guys, that is it. I had so much fun today, and this was, like I said before, it was my first time shooting in my hometown and here, my new house, and everything just feels so good, and I'm so glad that I did this video. I'm actually really sleepy, so I'll probably hit the bed, but